Okay, folks, I got the rebuild done on the Compost Cruiser, and tomorrow morning it's going out in the yard and ride around and see how it works. But yeah, right now I can tell you it's going to be a whole lot better than it was. It's much improved, and it's a little more streamlined and easier to work with. And yeah, we won't like it. So y'all hang out. Let's see what it looks like here. Let's go right across there. Ready? Let's go. Boom. Come back and see me anytime. Hit that button if you would. It'll help me a lot in the old algorithm or whatever that thing is. Would like it if y'all hit that thumbs up. Yeah, he'd like that too. So do all that for me and come see me. And I got to get my butt moving because it's time to go to work. So let's get a quick look at it. I'm going to go off to work and tell me what you think about it in the comment. But yeah, if you got any recommendations, give them to me. I'll be glad to hear them. And critiques, I don't mind at all. You got to hear what's going on in the world. Hey, if you got a better way, tell me about it, okay? Y'all take it easy. Remember this. God loves you and so do I. You can't take it with you, so hell, I've been spending mine on water. Yeah, you can tell by looking, I've been spending mine on water. The water company loves me right now. Yeah, we're going to keep busy, keep doing what we do. And yeah, I got another load of compost in the Compost Cruiser. I'm going to get back to doing that and get it cut and make it look good. And hey, I'm taking as much pride in it as I can as old man. Didn't really care of before. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, okay? Y'all take it easy. See you next time.